Using keyboard shortcuts to boost productivity when using Microsoft Word. To open a document, press Ctrl and O together. To save a document, press Ctrl and S together. To close a document, press Ctrl and W together. To cut a piece of text, picture or table, press Ctrl and X together. To copy a piece of text, picture or table, press Ctrl and C together. To paste a piece of text, picture or table, press Ctrl and V together. To select all text, press Ctrl and A together. To make text bold, press Ctrl and B together. To make text underlined, press Ctrl and U together. To make text italic, press Ctrl and I together. To center align text, press Ctrl and E together. To left align text, press Ctrl and L together. To right align text, press Ctrl and R together. To undo an action, press Ctrl and Z together. To redo an action, press Ctrl and Y together. Why not try some of these tips today?